Can anybody figure out what's going on with my vehicle? Because it will not start. Putting in the key in the ignition. What's wrong?